Hi, welcome back to the Cannabis Sommelier. I'm your host, Andrew Freedman. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Cocktailing with Cannabis. Today, I have a Canadian classic, and actually a Calgary classic, invented by Walter Chell in 1969, the Ceasar. We're going to make it with THC, so it's a THCaesar today. Let's check out the ingredients you need to make it, and let's start creating this Canadian classic. So, a drink that's not very well known around the world, but heavily drank in Canada. May 13th is actually National Ceasar Day. So, first thing you need is a mason jar. Take a lime wedge, rim the edge with your lime juice, and then you're going to put it in your rimmer. And this is really just celery salt, a little bit of garlic powder, salt and pepper. You want to fill your jar with ice all the way to the top. Perfect. And then it's pretty easy build. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do this with a cannabis infused vodka. I'm just going to build with regular vodka today, and then my infusion is actually going to be in my hot sauce. So we're going to do 1 ounce of your preferred vodka over ice. Perfect. Next, depending on how spicy you like it, the original build by Walter Chell in 1969 was with 2 dashes of Tobasco, and I've actually infused this with 700 milligrams of THC distillate. He likes to do 3 grinds of salt and pepper, so I'm just going to give it a nice little splash in the top, and then 4 dashes of Worcestershire sauce, and I butcher that every time, but laugh along with me. 4 splashes of that. Perfect. And then my secret ingredient is a little bit of pickle juice, and I just like to put a little splash in there, just for a little bit extra. So, and then to top it off, we just need some clam. Now, if you're not in Canada, clam is clamato juice, which is actually just tomato juice with a little bit of clam juice in it. This sold terribly when Mott's first brought it onto market, and then phenomenally as soon as the Ceasar was invented. So you want to top it, and make sure you leave a little bit of space, because the most important part about the Ceasar is the garnish. If you start drinking them, you'll see how insane it gets. So take your bartending spoon and give it a very vigorous mix. Make sure all of your ingredients are completely mixed in. Wonderful, and as I mentioned, time for the garnish. So, celery stick was Walter Chell's favorite. I like to put a little piece of beef jerky in. We also use these pickled beans, which are phenomenal, to put one of those in as well. And then a lime wedge to finish it. And there you have it, a THCaesar. So, that's how you build a Canadian classic invented in Calgary. If you prefer, try using infused vodka. I'll put a card right here so you can go check out that video. But there is our classic Ceasar, well garnished and delicious. So mix around, have a bite, and a sip. Delicious. I hope you'll like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next week, cheers.